You need three things to start a YouTube channel: your mobile phone, a mic, and a tripod. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Itel. I am currently filming this video with my Itel phone, so that's why I keep showing you this case. So Itel, if you are watching this and you want to sponsor me, kindly reach out to me. My email is in the description. I play a lot today. First things first, your mobile phone is your best friend. If you are watching this right now, I assume you already have a smartphone, and that means you can start a YouTube channel. Why do we need a smartphone? You need a smartphone because you actually need something to film your videos and edit them. Your phone is going to serve as your camera, and it's also going to be used to edit your videos. Like I said earlier, I film my videos with an Itel phone. And trust me, if I can film and edit content with this device, then as long as your phone has a camera, you can use it to start your own YouTube channel. The next thing you need is a mic. This is exactly what this video would sound like if I were not using a mic.
Hello guys, my name is Celestine, and this is exactly what my voice would sound like without using a mic.
Did you notice any difference? That's exactly why you need a mic. You need a mic because people need to hear your voice. Audio is 50% of your video, and if your audio is not clear enough, then your video is not complete. The mic I'm currently using is called a lav mic, and I got it for 3,000 naira on Konga. I don't know if the price has increased since I bought it, but I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. You can go check it out if you're interested. So there are two ways you can use this mic. You can either use it by holding it close to your mouth or by clipping it onto your shirt, just like I'm doing in this video. The next thing you need is a tripod. You need a tripod because you need somewhere to place your phone so as to keep it steady and prevent it from shaking when you are filming your video. For instance, if you stay alone and there's no one to hold your phone or film your video for you, you can just take the phone and fix it onto a tripod and start filming your video. But tripods can get really expensive, and the goal of this video is to start the YouTube channel on a low budget. So for now, if you cannot afford to buy a tripod, just try and get a mic. Audio is 50% of your video, and if your audio is clear enough, then you have nothing to worry about. The most important thing is the message you are trying to pass in your video. When people can see you and they can hear your voice, you have nothing to worry about. So if you cannot afford to buy a tripod for now, there are many ways that you can improvise. For instance, you can stack up some books together and just place your phone between them to keep it steady. Another way to do this is, when you are filming in your room, just place your phone on your window right in front of you and start filming. We'll get to the part on how you can film your videos with natural light shortly. But basically, the function of a tripod is to hold your phone in place and prevent you from having a shaky video when you are filming. So it's not as important as having a mic that we discussed earlier. Pro tip is to film your videos with natural light. The best source of light you can get is natural light. And guess what? It's completely free. You do not need expensive studio lights to get started with YouTube. I am currently filming this video from the comfort of my room, and I am filming with natural light. You can either stay in front of your window and let the sun shine directly on your face, or you can choose to stay by the side, just like I'm doing in this video. Expose only one side of your face to the sun so that side becomes lit and the other side becomes a little bit dark. It helps to create this sort of triangular look on your face, which can sometimes make your videos look a little more cinematic. Just experiment with different formats and see which one works best for you. You've got your video, but let's talk about thumbnails. The first thing people will notice before they click on your video is your thumbnail. At this stage, if you know nothing about graphic design, no, let me put it this way. If you cannot do basic design at all, I'm sorry, because actually you are not alone. I know nothing about graphic design as well, and that's where Canva comes to our rescue. Canva is one easy to use graphic design platform, and it contains several YouTube art templates you can customize. Just add bold text, bright colors, and your smiley face. There, you've got your thumbnail. Word of advice: keep it simple and don't overthink it. Simplicity wins every time. Next up is editing your videos. You don't need Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or all these expensive and complicated softwares to get started with video editing. All you need is CapCut. It's free, beginner friendly, and it won't cost you a dime. CapCut is my go-to for video editing. It's simple, it comes with transitions, sound effects, filters, and even color grading. I don't want to get deep into video editing. I already made a step-by-step video that contains everything you need to know to get started with CapCut video editing. I'll put the link to that video in the description box below. Make sure to go check it out. You have everything it takes to start your own YouTube channel. The only thing holding you back is yourself. I know all this might seem like a very big step at first, but believe me, when you start, it will get easier with each video. Your first set of videos might not be perfect, but one day you'll come back to your old videos and you'll be like, what the f was I even thinking? And that's the beauty in starting a YouTube channel. The more videos you make, the better you'll become in making videos. It is better to start small with what you have than wait for the perfect setup. Statistics show that 99% of aspiring YouTubers never actually start their own channels. And trust me, if you start now, in few months time, you'll be way ahead of those who didn't start their channels earlier. You just start small, stay consistent, and keep showing up. As you are planning to start your own channel, chances are you are probably confused on what to make videos about. Well, in that case, this video right here will show you everything you need to know about finding and picking the right niche on YouTube. So click on this video right here and I'll see you there.